So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your particular iPhone is just not turning off, and you might be trying to figure out how to fix it. Well, number one, to completely shut down your iPhone, there's a couple of different ways to do it. Number one, if you want to completely shut it off, you can hold the volume up button and the side button at the same time until your iPhone completely shuts down. So you can hold down those buttons. You can also slide the power off this way. If your touchscreen is working on your device, you can also go through, you can click on the settings application of your particular iPhone like this. And then what you can do is you can scroll down until you see this general setting option, which is right here. So tap into general settings, which is right here. You then want to go ahead and tap onto software update. So tap into software update. So then when you come into your general settings, you want to scroll down until you see this shutdown button, which is right here. So tap onto the shutdown button right there, and you want to slide the power off. That is another way you can basically go through and power down your iPhone. And for some reason, if those things don't work, you can also manually shut down your iPhone. And you can do that by clicking the volume up button, volume down button, and then holding down the side button completely on your iPhone until your iPhone completely powers down and shuts off. And then at that point, you should be able to go through slide the power off, but keep holding down that side button until your iPhone completely powers down. So that's basically how you do it. It's a very, very basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.